you from? I don't even know you either. So, me also, I don't trust you. Speaking of Patan, I like Patan. Patan are very brave people. Patan are very strong. Patan are very smart, intelligent. Patan have own planet. Patan have own world. Patan are very strong. Patan are very handsome. Patan are long nose, very tall, nice eyes, is very sweet. Patan are strictly but the best. Patan are jealousy but I like Patan. Okay, Patan is different from other nationality. Okay, don't trust Patan.